Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to delete purchase history in Shopee. To start, open your internet browser and then search for Shopee Help Center. Then click on the link that says help.shopee.com. Then in here, you'll be redirected. Then scroll down and then look for Do you have any other questions? And then select Email. Once done, you will now be able to input a Shopee customer service team form. First, if you are a buyer or seller, identify yourself. Then, over what is your inquiry about, you can input anything that is related to your inquiry. For now, I'll just be inputting general inquiries, but again, this is all up to you. Then over at Shopee username, input your Shopee username, same as with your email. And then, the next step is going to be the description box. Over at this description box, you'll briefly describe over to Shopee support on what your problem is. Go ahead, take your time in typing. Or you can also wait for me to finish typing my very own inquiry and then you can copy my statement. Below, over file upload, you can also add attachments such as photos to support your costs. Once done, click on the submit button. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.